All right, hey guys, I want you to find three things in your house that can make a sound. I will give you 30 seconds to find three things that you could make a sound with. Ready, set, go. 30 seconds. While you do that, I will be singing a song by myself. Zip, zip, zip to my loo, zip, zip, zip to my loo, zip, zip, zip to my loo, zip to my loo, my darling. Zip, 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 zip to my loo. All right, your 30 seconds are up. Hello, how are you? What are the three things you found? Oh, very cool. I have found some things. I was a little prepared for my lesson, so I have three things that I have found in the music room that you could probably find in your house. I have some pencils. I've got a box. It's a big one. I've got a box. And I thought I had one of these, but I'm going to pretend this is a zipper on my jacket. This is actually a washboard. People use this in the South, and they created music off of it, just like they use spoons to make music as well. So maybe you have found some pencils like me, or a box in your recycling bin, or maybe you have a washboard hanging around your house. Washboards were used primarily for cleaning clothes. They use this to really get the dirt out. But now this is a musical washboard. We use it to make really cool sounds. We like to scrape the washboard. Now, your three things that you have found. Do you think that we could make a cool sound with these three things? All right, let's pick up our first sound thing. And I want you to create your own sound. So I'm gonna use my box. I'm gonna move my box a little closer. I'm gonna create a rhythm on my box. It's gonna sound like this. Let me hear your sound that you've made with your thing. Very cool. Now I'm going to just my box. Great sound. Your turn. Find your second item and let's make a cool sound with it. Ready? Here you go. Good job. Now I'm going to use my third thing I found, my washboard. I'm going to pretend it's a zipper on my jacket. I'm going to zip up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. Your turn. Let's hear your last thing you found around your house. Make a cool beat with it. Great job. So those three items you found in your house, I bet they were so cool. And isn't it crazy how you can make music out of anything? Yeah. Well, now let's learn a new song. This is called Zip, Zip, Zip to My Loo. I go first, you go second. It's a pretty easy song to learn. Zip, 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 zip to my loo. Zip, 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 zip to my loo. Zip, 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 zip to my loo. Zip to my loo. My darling. Good job. I'm going to put two parts together. It's a pretty easy song, right? This is actually a spin-off of another song called Skip to My Lou. And you're supposed to skip, skip, skip to my Lou. But instead, we're going to zip because we were pretending to use our zippers as an instrument. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. 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 Zip to my Lou, my darling. I'm wondering if maybe you have a zipper on you, or maybe you can use one of those instruments you found around your house to help keep a steady beat. Just like me, you can either keep it on, you can keep it on your lap as well. I go first, you go second. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou, my darling. Zip to my Lou, my darling. Good job. Find a different instrument that you had found around your house and keep a steady beat with that one. I'm going to keep a steady beat with my foot. Here I go. I'm going to make it a little longer. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. 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 Zip to my Lou, my darling. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou, my darling. Now find that third item you found in your house and keep a steady beat as I accompany you on the ukulele. Here I go. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou, my darling. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou, my darling. Good. Now I'm wondering, can you stand up? Keep the steady beat in your feet. Ready? And here we go. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou, my darling. Do you think we could go slower? In music, when we go slow, it's called largo. Let's go largo. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou, my darling. Now, do you think we can go fast? When we go fast in music, it's called allegro. Say allegro. Ready? And here we go. Skip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip, zip, zip to my Lou. Zip to my Lou, my darling. All right, I hope you enjoyed Zip to My Lou, and I will see you guys at the very end. All right? Bye. Have a great day.